Welcome back to Cooking with Gerald. On today's episode, it's all about
Cucumbers.
Imagine stepping onto your patio on a warm morning, sunlight streaming down, and reaching for a crisp, cool cucumber you grew yourself. There's something truly magical about harvesting your own food right outside your door. The satisfaction of nurturing a plant from seed to fruit is unlike anything you can buy at the store. You don't need a sprawling backyard or a fancy greenhouse. Just a sunny balcony, a doorstep, or even a small patio will do. Urban gardening is for everyone, no matter how much space you have. Even a tiny apartment balcony can become a lush, productive oasis with the right approach. Container gardening opens up a world of possibilities, making it easy for anyone to enjoy fresh, homegrown cucumbers. With a few pots and some good soil, you can transform any outdoor nook into a mini vegetable garden. It's a flexible, low-commitment way to start growing your own food, and it's perfect for beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. Cucumbers actually thrive in pots, especially when you choose compact varieties bred specifically for small spaces. These plants are designed to flourish in containers, producing plenty of fruit without taking over your patio. You'll be amazed at how much you can harvest from just a couple of pots. Growing in containers gives you complete control over the environment, soil quality, water, and sunlight. You can easily move your pots to catch the best rays or shelter them from harsh weather. This means healthier plants, fewer pests, and better tasting cucumbers. Start with just 1 or 2 pots and watch your confidence grow as your plants do. There's no need to feel overwhelmed. Cucumbers are surprisingly forgiving, and each new leaf and flower will boost your gardening skills. Before you know it, you'll be planning your next crop. Gardening isn't just about the food, it's a peaceful daily ritual, a chance to slow down and connect with nature. Tending to your plants, feeling the soil, and watching new growth can be incredibly calming and rewarding, especially in our busy modern lives. Homegrown cucumbers are crunchier, more flavorful, and bursting with freshness. You'll taste the difference with every bite, and you'll have the peace of mind knowing exactly how your food was grown. No chemicals, no long transport, just pure garden-fresh goodness. Ready to get started? We'll walk you through every step, choosing the best varieties for containers, picking the right pots, preparing the perfect soil mix, and caring for your plants from seed to harvest. Whether you're a first-timer or looking to improve your skills, you'll find everything you need right here. Forget bland, watery grocery store cucumbers that have traveled hundreds of miles. When you grow your own, you'll enjoy cucumbers that are picked at the peak of ripeness, full of flavor and nutrients. By the end of this journey, you'll be harvesting the freshest, most delicious cucumbers right outside your door. Imagine sharing your homegrown bounty with friends and family, or simply enjoying a cool cucumber salad on a summer afternoon. Let's dive in and grow something amazing together. With a little guidance and a bit of patience, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve, even in the smallest of spaces. The journey from seed to harvest is easier and more rewarding than you might think. Watching your plants grow day by day is a joy in itself, and the first harvest is a moment you'll never forget. All you need is a little space, some sunlight, and a willingness to try. So grab your pots, gather your seeds, and let's get growing. Your patio cucumber adventure starts now. Success starts with the right cucumber variety. Look for bush, compact, or patio types. They're bred for containers and stay manageable. Favorites include Bush Champion, Space Master 80, and Salad Bush Hybrid for slicing, or Boston Pickling for pickles. Some vining types like Patio Snacker or Lemon Cucumber also work if you provide a small trellis. Check seed packets for container-friendly or compact labels. Decide if you want slicers or picklers. There's a variety for every taste. The right choice now means a happy, productive plant later. Container size is crucial. Bigger is better for cucumbers. Use at least a 5-gallon pot. 10 gallons is even better for more root space and moisture retention. If you're growing a vining type with a trellis, go even larger. Drainage is non-negotiable. Every pot must have holes. Plastic, glazed ceramic, or fabric grow bags are best for moisture retention and root health. Terracotta dries out quickly, so be prepared to water more often if you use it. Choose a sturdy pot with great drainage and enough room for roots to thrive. your plant's home sets the stage for a big harvest. Great cucumbers start with great soil. Skip garden soil, it's too heavy for containers. Use a high-quality potting mix as your base, about 60% of the total. Add 30% well-rotted compost for nutrients and moisture retention. Mix in a slow-release organic fertilizer for a steady nutrient supply. This blend keeps roots happy, drains well, and feeds your plant all season. Mix thoroughly before planting. Healthy soil means healthy, productive cucumbers. Your plant's success starts here. Plant after all, frost danger is gone and soil is warm, at least 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 degrees Celsius. Start from seed for variety or buy healthy seedlings for a head start. Plant 2-3 seeds an inch deep, then thin to the strongest seedling. For seedlings, plant at the same depth as in the nursery pot. Water gently and thoroughly after planting. Place your pot where it gets 6-8 hours of direct sun daily. South or west-facing spots are best. Move the pot if needed to chase the sun. More light means more cucumbers. The right start sets you up for a great harvest. Daily care is absolutely essential for growing healthy, productive cucumber plants, especially when you're growing them in containers. Cucumbers are thirsty plants, and they need consistent moisture to thrive and produce crisp, delicious fruit. Watering is the most important task. Make it a habit to check on your plants every day, especially during hot or windy weather when containers dry out quickly. To know when to water, simply stick your finger into the soil. If it feels dry about 2 inches down, it's time to water deeply. Make sure to water until you see it draining from the bottom of the pot. This ensures the roots are getting enough moisture and helps prevent shallow root growth. Always water at the base of the plant, not over the leaves. Wet leaves can encourage fungal diseases and mildew, which can quickly spread in the confined space of a container garden. Adding a layer of mulch, such as straw or shredded leaves, helps the soil retain moisture longer and keeps the roots cool, even on the hottest days. Mulch also helps suppress weeds and can improve the overall health of your plants. Once your cucumber plants start to flower, begin feeding them with a liquid organic fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks. This gives them the nutrients they need to set fruit and keep producing throughout the season. Even compact or bush varieties benefit from a little support. Use a tomato cage or a small trellis to keep vines upright, which improves air circulation, makes harvesting easier, and helps prevent fruit from sitting on damp soil. Keep an eye out for common pests like aphids or spider mites. If you spot them, gently wash them off with a strong spray of water or use insecticidal soap if needed. Early intervention keeps your plants healthy and productive. Remove any yellowing or diseased leaves as soon as you notice them. Pruning helps prevent the spread of disease and allows the plant to focus its energy on healthy growth and fruit production. When you provide consistent care, your cucumber plants will reward you with lush growth and a steady supply of crisp, tasty cucumbers. Healthy plants are naturally more resistant to pests and diseases. Remember, consistency is your best tool for a big harvest. A few minutes each day to check soil, water, and inspect your plants can make all the difference. With just a little daily attention and care, your container cucumbers will thrive, producing fresh, homegrown cucumbers for you to enjoy all season long. When it comes to harvesting cucumbers, timing is everything. For the best flavor and texture, pick your cucumbers when they're medium-sized, firm to the touch, and a rich, deep green color. Avoid letting them grow too large, as oversized cucumbers can become seedy and bitter, losing that crisp, refreshing taste you're after. To harvest, use a clean pair of scissors or pruners to snip the cucumber from the vine, leaving about ½ inch of stem attached. This helps prevent damage to the plant and keeps your cucumbers fresher for longer. For the crispest, juiciest cucumbers, try to pick them in the early morning when the plants are still cool and hydrated from the night. Morning harvests help lock in moisture and flavor. Make it a habit to harvest often. The more frequently you pick, the more energy the plant puts into producing new fruit, leading to a bigger, more continuous harvest throughout the season. As you care for your plants, keep an eye out for the difference between female and male flowers. Female flowers have a tiny cucumber forming at the base, while male flowers grow on thinner stems and don't produce fruit. If you notice that your cucumbers aren't developing, it might be due to a lack of pollinators. In that case, You can hand pollinate by gently transferring pollen from a male flower to a female flower using a small paintbrush or even a cotton swab. To keep your plants healthy, make sure your pots aren't overcrowded. Prune away any yellow or damaged leaves to improve air circulation, which helps prevent disease. Consistent watering is also key. Irregular watering can cause cucumbers to become bitter or misshapen. Check your plants every day or two for ripe cucumbers. They can grow quickly, and picking them at the right time ensures the best taste and encourages more fruit to develop. By following these simple steps and paying close attention to your plants, you'll enjoy a steady supply of crisp, delicious cucumbers all season long. There's truly nothing like the taste of a cucumber you've grown yourself. Fresh, flavorful, and packed with satisfaction. With container gardening, you can grow bountiful cucumbers almost anywhere, from balconies to patios and even small urban spaces. Happy growing and enjoy your harvest. Once again, thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, please give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe.